is October 1st. Currently October 1st. It's 7:35 p.m. right now. This video will probably be up by tomorrow. So happy October 2nd. So first things first, I'm going in with this Pearlescent Rose Water. Now I'm just going to moisturize my face with this Pond's cream so that we're not dry. Now going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation. This is in the shade 125, and I'm just going to add that all over my face and blend it out with a little BH Cosmetics brush that obviously broke, but it works, so we're gonna work with it, you feel me? To outline my brows, I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Granite. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills The Brow Pomade, this is in the shade Ebony. I'm just going to create that straight brow. Obviously, I do not have straight brows, but take your time with this and don't worry about that little flick at the end because we're about to get rid of that, girl. Now using some liquid latex, I'm just going to conceal that brow. I want it to look like I do have a natural straight brow, so I'm just removing that little flick that I have at the end, covering it up with some concealer, and you're good to go. Now taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Medium Honey, I just want to conceal my brows some more because obviously I can still see some pelititos, but we just gonna work with it. Now going back in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and using a beauty sponge, I'm just blending that all the way just to prep and prime these lids. Now I'm just going into the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking this shadow called Abyss. It's just this black charcoal looking shadow and just blending that all over our lids. It's gonna get messy, but it's okay. Now going into Mocha, we're just going to add that to the top of that shadow just so that it looks well put together, you know what I mean? Because my brows are kind of high up there, so I have lots of space, and we just want to blend that under our eyes as well. I don't even think I have to tell you guys, this is the Ardell 251 Lashes go-to. I can't help it. Now taking some more liquid latex, we're just going to add that with one of these little sponges and keep on ripping up some toilet paper, adding it, put some latex, add some more toilet paper. Take your time with this and just have fun with it because when it dries, it's gonna look so crazy. Now going back into that same foundation, we're just going to layer that on top just so that it looks like it's actual skin that's just deformed. And then we're just gonna take some tweezers and start to rip and tear. As you guys can see, it's pretty sticky. Don't rip it all off, just make little holes in it and, you know, make it look like it's ripped skin. Here I just went back into the shadow Abyss and just added that inside of the rips that I just created just so that it can give it more depth and make it look more real. And obviously just to deepen my shadow some more, I added that to my lower lash line and on my lids. And then just add some to the center of your lips. So this part, I just took my time with it. Obviously, I don't even know what I'm doing, but she had some scripture on her face, so I just tried to mimic that. Just take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. She looked very grungy and dirty, so that's what we want to do. Here, I'm just taking the Lorac Pro Contour Palette and just taking the deep contour shadow that's in there and just deepening my contour just to make it look well blended together and not so damn pale. Hair time. So here I'm just brushing my hair straight back and then I add some dry shampoo just to the roots so that it could, you know, look kind of white-ish.